Hi everybody, welcome to my channel Wealth Phoenix sir. Today we will be going to discuss about the basics, about the uh, facts, figures of the stock market. This is just an introductory video. There will be many videos which will be discussing in detail. This is just a synopsis of how we can what to know about the stock market, how what is the approach or what is the mental state we need to have while getting into the stock market. First, we'll talk about the facts, myths about the stock market. Many people think that it's a gamble. No, it's not a gamble. I know it's risky, but here we can limit our risk and enjoy profits very often. It's not that hard to make money, guys, in stock market, but it's not very easy also. It's complete a game of human psychology. Yeah, we will talk more about investment psychology. The only basic thing you need to understand that when you buy a stock and price goes up, it makes profit. Yes, you need to understand this only basic thing. You don't need to understand technical analysis, fundamental analysis, every technical jargons under a sun. You just need, even if you understand this simple basic, you can make lots money from the stock market. Yeah, guys, I'm not kidding. This is the true fact. So let us understand about the psychology. What psychology you need to maintain in trading. First of all, you should have control over your emotions. Greed and fear, these are the two emotions which ride the human psychology. You should you should have a mental state, a calm and composed mental state. Second thing is discipline. Guys, even if you know everything about the stock market, you have every detailed knowledge, option knowledge, futures knowledge, everything you have, but you don't have discipline, you will not achieve success in the stock market. Mark my words. For example, if you have decided that my profit will be 5%, you should maintain that percentage ratio. Whenever you get a profit of 5%, you should get out from the trade. Second is long term horizon investment. For example, if your commitment is of 10 years, stick to that horizon. Don't exit from the market from 10 years. You will achieve wonderful results from if you follow discipline in stock market. Third is risk management, wealth management. Guys, this is very important. Even if you have lots of wealth, you should not invest everything into the stock market, because this is a risky business. At the end of the day, there is a risk. This is not completely safe business. So you need to take risks only with your 15 to 20% of your capital. Just 15 to 20%, where then only your mental state will be good. Otherwise you will be mentally exhausted, physically exhausted if you put more than 50% of your wealth in stock market. The mind state should be neutral. It should be like a yogi. It should be like a calm and composed when you are working in this share market. One more thing you need to understand. You need to understand basics of any sector or business or field which you like. You don't need to understand each and every stock story. Don't need to understand everything about the business, but only one sector you can choose, and you can do a mastery in that sector. Still you can earn crores of rupees in the stock market. Let's talk further. I will tell you I will show you a demo how our mind works when we are in stock market. For example, if we take a trade, if we take a SDFC bank trade, and we enter into a trade. For example, if we enter at 1,000 rupees price, our expectation is that it will go up 1000, 1002, 1005, 1010, 1015. But actually what happens in the stock market, it goes up, it will go down. When it will go down 995, 990, your state of mind will be in fear. Now here you have to control your emotions. If you are fearful, and if you exit from the stock market with when the price is 980, then you lost. So that is the psychology I am trying to tell you. When you are not fearful, when you are confident about your trade, you sit back and relax. You know that price will go up, and price went up to 1002, then it will go up, because the prices don't go up steadily. They go up, retrace, then go up, retrace, go up, retrace. If they are going in an upward trend, this basics you will come to understand later. I will post in all my later videos. So what should we do after taking a trade? Yes, guys, just go. When you enter a trade, just go and see a movie. Don't open your app, don't open your computer, because the hard work and research which need to be done should be done before entering a stock. You should not do anything after the trade, because when your target is set, if you should not do any research, because the more you do research, you should keep an eye, but you should not go in depth, because that will drive your emotions of fear and greed. Second thing which is very important, which I want to warn you against, is like intraday and margin. Many people do intraday, many people do futures and options where you get heavy margin, where you can trade lakhs of uh, trade within a small amount of money. So my advice is always work in cash segment, because it's healthy trading, because at any point of time you have a backup plan. If anything happens, your money will be safe, because it will be in cash. You will be having liquidity. But in margin or leverage, the money vanishes in no time when within a small mistake, and you are out of the game. Guys, remember, we have to remain into the game till lifelong. Then only we can get benefit from the stock market. The big names of the stock market, Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, and there are many, Mr. Kedia, they have been in the stock market since 20, 25, 30 years. Initially, nobody gets success so easily. They have to be patient. So here, the game is everything about patience and discipline. I will give an example of start with 15,000, try to make it 30,000, then that 30,000 try to make it 60,000. This will develop a healthy mindset and will take out fear from your mind, because you're not putting more money. So when you're not putting more money, you tend to take risk when you fail. So this is the total human psychology, while we need to understand while training. Last but not the least is learn and learn. There is no shortcut to success in stock markets. The more you learn, the more you earn.